Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the basics of editing in CapCut PC since they did move the buttons around. So I'm just going to select this video here, and here is where everything is. To trim videos, you're just going to go to the point where you want to trim it. You can either trim it from the right or the left. So this one is deleting the right side, this one is deleting the left side. This is to crop, this is to add markers. It's mainly for audio. And then here's where you can find freeze, reverse, mirror, and rotate. If you want to freeze a frame, you're just going to select where you want to freeze it, and you're going to go here and select freeze. As you can see, it froze the frame here. Then we have reverse. If you want to reverse your clip, you can also reverse your audio by doing this. First reverse your clip and then just extract the audio. There's also mirror. I think you know what that does. And rotate. There's split scenes. You do need pro for it later, I think, but right now it's free. It's just going to split your videos into scenes. And then here is remove background, auto adjust, and enhance visuals, which all you need pro for. This is how you can scale it. If you want to stretch a video, you're just going to turn off uniform scale. And here's where you can kind of stretch it. You can stretch it this way or this way. If you want to turn on uniform scale again, you can do that. Keyframes. So I'm just going to enable keyframe up here. So for instance, you want to zoom in, you're just going to add a keyframe in the first frame. Then you're just going to kind of zoom in. You can even move it here. You can even rotate it. And it's going to zoom in like this. You can even do it with opacity. So blend mode, put it at 100, and then here, for instance, at 0%. Here you can add audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, adjustments, and even AI avatar. But that's pretty much what I'm going to be talking about in this basic tutorial. I don't want to keep you for long, so let me know in the comment section down below what kind of tutorials you want me to make on CapCut. Especially CapCut PC, because CapCut on mobile, it's a little bit hard to edit, even though it's kind of like the same, but like it's easier to show you guys on PC. And the UI is pretty similar, so yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.